Do you know the difference between a yam and a sweet potato? Well, one rhymes with ham and the other one's a sweet potato. But seriously, a yam has a rougher skin. It's a little bit more neutral in flavor. A sweet potato is thin-skinned and sweet, like our head writer. Now seriously, if you don't have your own spiralizer, what are you waiting for? I mean, look how cool these are. They look like Reba's 90s hair. And look at that one. And I'll be back for you. Now, I hope you've been watching, friends, because I used to do a show called The Wizard of Sauce. Back then, I used to start every episode with a quick sauce. You know, one you could just whip up on a Tuesday night for a friendly game of solo solitaire. And this is a very quick sauce. Less time than it takes for your perm to activate. Whew, and nothing smells better than roast garlic. Just water, cashews, roast garlic, and some Parmesan cheese? I mean, does it get any simpler than that? I mean, this is a recipe for creamy and dreamy if I've ever seen one. Ooh. All right, friends, let's get loud. Ooh, oh, toasty, cheesy. Mmm. That smell will take you to Andromeda. And a nice big walk. There's lots of room for these beautiful sweet potatoes. I mean, look at that. Look. It's like a bright orange jellyfish. Here comes the sauce. No, I'm the sauce boss. You know, some people say you eat with your eyes first. Smell, aroma. It's the most powerful of the senses. And it's tied to memory. I mean, what are your memories that you have along the lines of smell? Maybe your mom baked fresh cookies. And voila, sweet potato noodles and cashew cream sauce. And I wouldn't be me unless I got a little bit more cheese on this bad boy. Now we're kicking the whatever up to 11, and I still got more for you. So watch these commercials and think about what I'll do with honey and cheese.